In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Spotify on Discord. By the end, your friends will see and join what you are listening to. Start by opening Discord on your Android phone, iPhone, or computer. Once Discord loads, you should see your usual servers and chats. If it asks you to log in, do that first so the rest of the options appear correctly. Now go to User Settings. On a computer, this is the small gear icon near your username at the bottom. On a phone, it is the profile icon at the bottom bar. When you tap or click it, a long settings menu opens so you can adjust account options. From there, select Connections. This section is where Discord links to other apps. You should see several icons, such as social platforms and game services, even if nothing is connected yet. Next up, choose Spotify. On most devices, you will see a Spotify logo among the connection options. Click or tap that logo. Discord now opens a Spotify login page, either inside the app or in your browser. Sign into your Spotify account and authorize the connection. Enter your Spotify email and password, or use the login option you usually use with Spotify. Then confirm you agree to connect with Discord. Once you approve, Spotify closes that page and sends you back to Discord automatically with the link created. After that, return to the Connections section and make sure Display on Profile and Display Spotify as your status are enabled. You will see a list of connected apps, including Spotify. Under Spotify, turn on both toggles. When these are enabled, people can see your current track on your profile and near your name. A common mistake is leaving these off, which hides your Spotify even though it is connected. Now open Spotify and play a song. You can use the Spotify app or the desktop version, as long as it is the same account you just connected. Start any track or playlist and let it play for a few seconds so Discord can detect it. Your Spotify activity can now appear on your Discord profile or status. On a computer, you will see the song title under your name in the user list. On mobile, it appears on your profile page. If nothing shows, check that Spotify is still playing and that you did not set Discord to invisible, since invisible can sometimes delay status updates. At this point, a friend can open your Discord profile and select Play on Spotify or Listen Along when available. When they click your name, a small panel appears with the track details. If they have Spotify, the Play on Spotify option opens the same song. If they also have Spotify Premium, Listen Along keeps their playback synced to yours. To listen to Spotify together in real time, first make sure Spotify is playing. Leave your track running in the background, since Discord only invites others to an active session. If you pause, the listening invite will not update correctly. Next, open a Discord direct message, group direct message, or text channel. This can be any text space where you can send messages to the people you want to listen with. You will see the message box at the bottom of the screen. Click or tap the plus button in the message box. A small menu opens showing things you can share. Because Spotify is already connected and playing, one of the options will relate to inviting friends to listen. Now choose the option to invite friends to listen. Discord creates a special invite card tied to your current Spotify track. This card includes the song details and a button for others to join your session. Then send the invitation. Once you send it, the invite card appears in the chat like a regular message. Everyone who can see that channel or chat can also see the invite. Your friends select Join to listen with you. When they press Join, their Spotify opens and syncs to your playback. If they join mid-song, Spotify jumps them to the current position so everyone hears the same part. Important note here, Spotify Premium is required for the official Listen Along feature to work correctly. Also, Spotify explains that Listen Along does not work during a voice chat, so keep this in a text channel or direct message for the shared listening to function. You have now connected Spotify to Discord, shared what you are playing, and learned how to listen along with friends. If this helped you get your shared listening working, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple Discord and Spotify guides.